fourth graders, this is your math e-learning lesson for Tuesday, April the 28th. Today you have test 24B, so let's just go over it a little bit before you get started on this. So at the top, this table shows how much is charged to ship a package to different parts of the country. Use this information to answer questions 1 and 2. Just like in the practice yesterday, you have different weights and the different shipping charges for 3 different zones. You need to use the information in this table to complete numbers 1 and 2. Question 1 is asking how much it costs to ship a 4-pound package to zone 2. So again, you're looking up the weight. You have to look up first by the weight and then to the zone that you need. So you look up to see where there is the weight of 4 pounds, a 4-pound package, and then over to zone 2, what does it cost? Number 2, how much more does it cost to ship a 9-pound package to zone 2 than to zone 1? So you're taking a look at the cost of the 9-pound package and the difference from zone 2 to zone 1. Number 3, 3/8 of the 80 tadpoles already had back legs. How many tadpoles had back legs? This is fraction of the group, fraction of a group problem, and what you need to do to work that out. Several steps there. For A and B, find the length in millimeters and then find the length in centimeters. And again, you are looking at the length of this line segment right here. Okay, this line segment right here in between the 2 rulers, and A is finding the length in millimeters, B finding it in centimeters. Number 5, the pie was cut into 8 equal slices. The pie shows what fraction name for 1. So all you need to do for number 5 is to write a fraction name for 1 if the pie is cut into 8 equal slices. Number 6, estimate the product of 396 and 48. 2 important words here. Estimate, what does that mean? And product, what does that mean? Number 7, use words to name this number. And this number, I'll just read off the digits. You have 2, 5, 7, 4. There's a decimal point, then there's a 6. After the 6, that is just the period at the end of the sentence. So don't let that confuse you. Number 8, change the improper fraction 14/9 to a mixed number. You have an improper fraction. You now need to change that to a mixed number. Number 9, Claudia found that 25 jacks would fill each sack. There were 9 sacks. How many jacks did she need to fill all the sacks? So you have 25 jacks for each sack. You need 25 jacks for each sack. If you have 9 sacks, then how many jacks are you going to need altogether? Number 10, Mercedes bought 3 tennis balls for $2.10. How much would 24 tennis balls cost? Well, 3 of them cost $2.10. So if you know that, you use that information to help you figure out then how many 24 would cost. So think in terms of groups of 3, since every 3 costs $2.10. And then after that, you have your basic computation. Number 11, you have subtraction of money. Number 12, addition of decimals. Remember, it's written horizontally. You write it vertically and always line up the decimal points. Number 13, subtraction of decimals. Again, line up those decimal points. And don't forget what you need to do when you're subtracting decimals. And number 14, you're adding decimals. Again, line up the decimal points. 15, multiplying a multiple of 10. Number 16, you have a long division problem with a multiple of 10. Number 17, improper fraction, also known as a division problem. Remember, it's another way to show division. Number 18, you have long division of a multiple of 10. Number 19, you also have long division with a multiple of 10, and it's also money. So you want to be careful, and again, make sure you're setting everything up properly. Number 20, you have an addition problem here with a final total of 188, but you also have a Q in here, which means you need to figure out what Q is equal to. What is that missing number? Okay, be careful as you're adding up, since you do have a lot of numbers to add. I suggest that you do it more than one time to check your work. Remember, when you're doing column addition, because that's what you'll be doing once you've lined everything up vertically, you'll be doing column addition. You're always looking to make tens. Remember, make tens, okay? And not doing a lot of little addition problems off to the side. You make more mistakes that way. Just line up all of your add-ins and look to make tens. Don't forget though, you are solving for Q. You need to figure out what Q is equal to. Okay, while you're working, if you have any questions or you're not sure about something, please reach out to me so that I could help you with that. Okay, take your time, work carefully. You should do just fine as long as you had gone over the review yesterday. You should be in good shape for the test today. And then don't forget, spend some extra time on IXL or extra math. Okay, don't forget, if you need my help, you know where to find me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.